What's good, you guys? Today I'm not in such a good mood, but I still wanted to make this video. Psych! What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Today we're making something crazy from scratch. I'm feeling like maybe making a rage beat, like a dark rage beat using Fabfilter Twin 2. How does that sound to you? Anyways, if you're trying to learn the most out of this video, make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. Try to work with me, that way like learn the most out of this video. Let's just dive right into the video, gang. So Fabfilter Twin 2 is super fire, I'm telling you. I love this plugin. When I found out about this plugin, it was just like, let's go. One of my favorite presets to make rage beat is underneath techno and then lead or pad 2. Like right off the jump, it already is sounding aggressive and raw sounding. I'm gonna add some chorus to it to like make it a little bit more like playful, you feel me? And then I'm going to add a little bit of reverb just to like make it a little bit wider. Ooh, let's just add like this little bell sound. It's called Child's Play. Right now I think it needs like a flute or lead for another counter melody. I got a pretty good feeling about this beat so far. Like it's sounding like dangerous. Last but not least, I'm going to add like a smooth pad or maybe like a bell, just like some chords to like accent the main melody to give also like some atmosphere inside of the beat. So far it's sounding nice, like aggressive but nice. Okay, so I have the whole melody right here. Let's just add the drums from here. I know the drums will like hit crazy. So for the second part of the drums, I want like a more plucky sound. So just like taking this 808, yes sir. Right here I want to like let the 808 sweep in, so reverse that. I think I want to go like room room room, something like that. Wow, I really love the beat. It's knocking hard. There's variation, there's bounce, there's rage, you feel me? But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below, you feel me? I would appreciate it. Thank you again for watching. I'm Scana Beats. I'm active on social media as well, so make sure to follow me there. Anyways, I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.